Oops, teka lang, ipapasyal ko kayo.
We're on our way to Disneyland.
Yung love. Peace. And wala pa ba? Meron na. Ano yan, love? 6 minutes?
Oh.
Ha? You happy? Happy?
Saya ako. Sobrang saya ko.
Masaya pero yung mukha wala. Wala pa. 6 minutes.
We're on our way to Disneyland.
Yung... Yan na. Andyan na si Meke.
Mickey Mouse. Find the Mickey Symbol.
Alright guys, tara na, pasok na tayo sa tren ni Mickey Mouse. Iispatan na natin sila. Susundan lang natin yung mga yan. Pasensya na dito, hindi na kami nakaupo sa dami ng tao.
Here po, bakit ng Disneyland? Aakit na tayo sa Disneyland. Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Meke.
Mickey.
Si Meke.
Here at Disneyland.
Ang lalab, nakakita ang litang ng Maya.
Maya.
Maya friend. On Kansas City. I have my photographer. Hi. Hi, love. Hi, love.
Ito mag-hire turista.
Eto na nga guys, papasok na kami. Ngayon, nagtitingin kami dalawa ni Kat dyan kung saan kami makakain ng masarap. Pero sa pagtingin namin, sa kanan at sa kaliwa namin, at napakamahal ng pagkain dito sa loob. Kaya kung wala kang budget at pupunta ka ng Disneyland, ang isa sa mga bagay na may advice namin sa inyo ay kumain na kayo sa labas. Magpakabusog, tsaka ngayon kayo pumasok sa loob. Pero kung may budget naman kayo, bakit hindi nyo ngayon subukan ang mga pagkain dito? Mukha naman silang masarap eh. Pero kami, dahil naka-budget kami, ito lang sa amin, magtutubig lang kami. Kaya guys, kung gusto nyo pa makita kung anong mga nasa loob, ngayon ay panoorin nyo at huwag nyo sanang ilipat. Tapusin nyo guys.
Disneyland.
Kasi Iron Man na dito.
Oh, yan. I think yung sa ano niya. Oh, dito iba. Sa loob yung ano nila. Yung, I think yung store nila. Kanya-kanyang photo kami and video.
Disneyland City Hall. Pag may problema ka.
Yan o. Ay, remember Monopoly?
Saan?
Wala. It's like every castle, right? Disney. Where to go, love?
Parang hotel siguro.
I don't know. Medyo mas malamig dito. Compare.
Gentle. Pwede ba tayo dyan? Iiwan lang ata yung bata dyan sa park. Ano yan?
How you feel?
Ha?
Nararamdaman mo.
Winnie the Pooh. Si Winnie the Pooh. Hoy. Hindi natin si Winnie the Pooh.
Doon pa tayo sa loob.
Na-stuck ang
Asa
mga
ano lang
Winnie
to?
the Pooh.
I think store lang nila to, love. Mga stores lang to. Yeah.
Wala. Bibili dyan dahil hindi kasama sa budget. Joke lang.
Sa amin, ganito lang yung napasukan namin.
Nasabog-sabog eh.
Diyan? Love, look at this one. Lost children ka. Lost children. Saan ka? Lost children. Pana? Okay, I got it. Okay. Driver.
Parang mukhang addict eh.
Lord, di makita.
Android.
Mama ni Ubra.
Adjust ko lang ha. Adjust ko lang. Pakita mo yung yung...
Okay, driver. Driver for the day.
I check ko lang yung gulong. Okay naman, matigas naman siya. Okay.
Carry naman.
Seatbelt on, baka mahuli tayo ng
Seatbelt.
LTO.
Ma-DUI. Drivers under influence.
Influence of pharmaceutical medicine.
We'll be open, you'll be there. Let me feel, let me feel, butter, butter, we'll be open, you'll be there. Let me feel, butter, let me feel, butter, we'll be open, you'll be there. Let me feel.
Journey to Ant-Man.
Okay, second stop.
Dito tayo kung saan ko ginawa yung suit ni Ant-Man. Ito yung mga
Who
tao.
we are?
Ako nagturo sa kanila kung paano gawin yung suit ni Ant-Man. Pasaway ito. Tapos na! Oh no! Oh no! Are you okay? Yes, I'm good.
Yes, now target's all certain. Yeah, that was fun.
系統顯示所有機械蟲已經被摧毀。
Great.
So yeah, ito naman ginawa yung suit ni Iron Man.
Natapos ka kay Ant-Man, na kay Iron Man ka na. So ready ka na sa pang third.
Oh.
Ready? I think hindi naman siya ganong mapila. Because we can
Kasi
see...
sinabi ko dun sa admin, papasok na ako. Diretso lang daan ako. Kami, yes boss. Kasi VIP ako dito eh.
VIP.
Ayun, super ko dati oh. Medyo maliit pa yung siya ko.
Saan yan?
Ayan. Nakakaya na
Yes,
ako, no?
Navy.
Kaya mo,
Navy?
bagay na bagay, di ba?
Navy or Army?
Hindi ko alam eh. Mix.
Mix. Navy. Okay, and here we go on good. Okay, sir. What do we have here? Ayan.
Isa to pala sa mga favorite ko.
As you tour our home in Mystic Manor, these are just a few of our treasures. And here's our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Oh, well. The little fellow can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor.
Wow.
And finally, Frozen. Watch.
你哋係緊愛莎嘅冰雪皇宮，我都係，斯特都係嘅，一陣見。
Ano lang?
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love that thawed a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
最好嘅朋友啊！
Ayun na, yung Elsa.
Paano? Ayan na.
Uy, apoy talaga oh.
Kaya nga, may apoy talaga. Ooh.
Kabila, wala.
Dito ba si Tarzan? Oh, it's a show! Hey, mate. So, what's your next truck?
We're here at the
What?
park where Tarzan was born.
What accent do you have?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you want it on the raft or on the boat? I'm
Not
pretty sure.
if we go here, mate.
Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's
looks
real one.
like that one is nice.
Yeah, it's nice, but it's different one.
But I don't know where it is.
Akala ko statue, totoo ata. Bro, ang ilang ride na? 5? 5
ba?
Yeah, coaster again. Pagod ka na. Pagod na siya.
Love it. Above all.
Opo. Love. Wag dyan.
Bakit?
Ayoko. Yan na lang, parachute na lang.
Ba't naman?
Ramdam ko na yan eh. Alam ko yung feeling yan. Yeah.
Boring?
Hindi, masakit sa... Hindi siya masakit sa dibdib eh.
Ah, yung pag ganon.
Yeah. Ha? Ito. Yung parachute.
Last one guys, ito na. Panoorin nyo.
My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. The bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be in my heart. Always.
Let's go. Ocean Park. Saan tayo start?
Don't know.
Ayun.
Taxi standby.